Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky for crowdsourcing ideas. So number one is that create your account and sign up on Bluesky and customize your profile to reflect your interest and objectives. And if I just move on the main interface of Bluesky, so you want to crowdsourcing ideas on Bluesky. So post engaging questioning like share post that invite feedback or ideas on specific topic. So you can use clear prompts to encourage responses. For example, ask your follower for suggestions on a topic. Like if I just tab on a new post and if I just add any question example like if I just ask them so guys, I want to invest in forex, you can tell me in which stock I should buy. So it will help you to for crowdsourcing ideas on blue sky, so or feedback on a concept. So create a explore custom feed or cater to specific interests or topics relevant to your crowdsourcing goals. This help in targeting in right audience for your inquiries. It's an example. You should add your own question for crowdsourcing, and you will just know how to get the audience, and you will just quickly find users who share similar interests, enhancing the ideas of you. And you will just organize use blue sky features to short replies and organize conversations based on relevance or user engagement levels. This helps in managing in the crowdfunding source of ideas. Looking for be clear and specific when asking for ideas. Ensure your answers and questions are straightforward and focused. So recognize your appreciated the input from your followers to encourage further participants. And by utilizing these strategies, you can effectively harness the power of Blue Sky for crowdsourcing ideas, creating a vibrant community of engaged users who contribute meaningfully to your initiatives. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.